friends, welcome to Fun Day. Today we are going to make an extremely interesting dish. Which is this dish? The all-time favorite Dal Makhni. How many times have we felt कि ये होटल जैसी दाल मखनी घर पे क्यों नहीं बनती है? We are going to do exactly the same today, and trust me, it's extremely easy to make dal makhni. So let's head to our kitchen. Now what do we need to make dal makhni? The dal, of course. This has been soaked overnight. Now for us to get the beautiful red hue that you see on the dal, which you get in the hotels, there is a technique for this. What you need to do is take this dal in both your hands and just rub it. While the dal is still raw, we need to do this for about 5 minutes. Just gently keep rubbing the lentils. We'll drain out this water and then proceed further.
We'll drain out the water over here.
Now there are two ways for us to cook this dal. One is you take a deep pan and heat some water and keep the lentils for boiling. Or the other way is to give a boil to these lentils in a pressure cooker. So I will choose the second method and go ahead and give them a boil in the pressure cooker. Just adding these to the cooker.
Add some water to this.
This is about 500 ml of water. And not completely 500 ml, but just the half of it. I will take some more and pour it in this. And as of now, we don't need to do anything much to this. We just need to add a tablespoon of salt and close the lid and wait until it gives around 5 to 6 whistles, not more than that, and then we'll continue further. When the cooker has cooled down, it's time for us to open the cooker and have a look at it.
Steamy.
Beautiful. Now, the most important thing that you need to remember is you need to remove this excess water.
How do we remove it?
Put it in a bowl.
How do we remove it?
Use a ladle for it. And don't worry, we will be using this water again. But as of now, we don't really need it, so we're just going to go ahead and get rid of it. And put a pan. Now since it's Dal Makhni, we are going to use some butter. Allow it to melt. Now that the butter is melted, we first add some coarsely grounded garlic and some coarsely grounded ginger. I have over here some finely chopped only garlic. This will be needing it towards the end for the second tempering of the dal. As of now, we are doing only the first tempering. We now need to cook this nicely until it's nice and red. If you don't wish to use too much of butter, you can also opt out for oil instead of using butter for your tempering. Now, what we need is a magic tool, the Kashmiri Lal Mirch. It gives you a beautiful red color and is low on the heat as well. We'll allow this to get cooked nicely. Once you do that, it's time to add tomato puree. This puree is of about 2 tomatoes.
It's made out of 2 tomatoes.
Yes, that's correct. Now we need to get this cooked as well. Look at the color. It's got a beautiful, gorgeous red color and a lovely taste of ginger and garlic. Now while this is getting cooked, we need to switch on the gas for our dal on a slow flame. We just have to again wait and look out for the oil on the sides, which is again the sign of showing to us that this paste or the tempering is ready to go into the dal. Like I said, cooking food is another word for a lot of patience, and trust me, Dal Makhni is one of it, which is going to test your patience. Slip of tongue here and there. Okay, I can see oil on the sides over here. And what we are going to do is, we are now going to take this and add it to our already boiled dal. We're going to You need to mix this very gently and nicely, and slowly you need to just press these lentils so that it forms a very nice and uniform consistency. The puree and the dal need to merge in together. They shouldn't look separated from each other. And that's what we need to get over here. Now while this lentils are getting cooked, it's time for us to have the second tempering, and we are going to use the same pan for it, but this time we are going to add some oil to it. A little bit of oil. Let it heat. Meanwhile, since this is Dal Makhni, which means butter, we are going to add some butter to this because we need that nice creamy smooth texture for our dal, and this is going to be coming through the butter. While this is happening, our oil has heated up, and this is the time for us to add the chopped garlic. Now while we are frying the garlic over here, we need to use our ingredient over here, which is fenugreek leaves or dried kasuri methi. I'm using a powder, so we'll add about 1 spoon of it. Give it a good mix. Kasuri methi or these dried fenugreek leaves give an extremely good taste to your dish. You can't add them to all of them, of course. So our chopped garlic here is very nicely roasted. We have to get it little roasted for some more time. So now if you look at this, just look at the consistency it's giving. And you can also look at the color. It's got this beautiful reddish hue to it over here as well. And we are almost done with this. Switch the gas off and
Add it to the Dal Makhni.
in this goes to our Dal Makhni. Trust me, once you try this dish at home, everyone at home is going to simply love this dal that you've prepared. It's time for us to add the water because it's become nice and thick, and this is the same water which we had removed earlier. Give it a good stir. Now if you remember, we have added salt only in the beginning when we were boiling the dal. So it's time for us to add some more salt according to your taste.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You look so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet, with you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day, for you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go, my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours, my love is forever yours.
So if you look at the consistency over here, see, we have the right consistency, not too thin and not too thick.
Doesn't it feel hot?
Of course it does, but that's what experience does to you. With so many years of cooking, you learn how to handle the heat. It's time for us to do the plating. I'll see you in some time.